We are pleased to show you the 2021 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, convertible hardtop, active grille shutters, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.